Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install Dynamic Island on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open, then tap on Next. Now just give this app these permissions. First of all, just tap on Select Apps, then tap on All. After that, just go back and tap on Notification Access. And from here, just enable the toggle for Dynamic Spot and select Allow. After that, tap on Draw on Screen and select Allow. Then tap on Draw on Screen one more time and tap on Next. From here, tap on Installed Apps and tap on Dynamic Spot. Then enable the toggle for Dynamic Spot and select Allow. And after that, just tap on Done. Now, if I tap on the play button over here, then select Allow, as you can see, we have successfully enabled the Dynamic Island on our Samsung phone. Now, if you go to Appearance, you can change the appearance of the Dynamic Island on your Samsung phone. For example, you can show the Dynamic Island as a notch, or you can disable this toggle and you can show it as the same as the iPhone, just like that. Now, if I go to the home screen and play any music or a video in the background, as you can see, it will show in the Dynamic Island. And this is how you can download and install Dynamic Island on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.